Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my back deck, and it is time to rebuild my medium big green egg. Well, it's not mine actually, to be honest with you. I gave it to my son years ago. He's now 16. He's been cooking on this thing since he was 10 years old, man. And if a 10-year-old can run a big green egg, anybody can run a big green egg. So I've had this since 2014, I believe. So that makes it 8 years old, and it's just time to do some upgrades on it. So let me show you the egg, how it sits now. I'll show you all the pieces that I'm gonna do. And then in the end, I'll show you the finished product and how much better it looks. So there's the medium big green egg now. So let me just back up here a little bit so you can get a full view of it. It has the old style wood shelves to it, so I'm going to replace those. It has the old style hinge where the springs are on the back. I did upgrade it at one point with the regulator cap, which I love, I highly recommend, but just it's looking a little bit outdated. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to upgrade it to the integrated nest and handler. This nest and handler is a lot chunkier. It looks better lines to it, and it has the handle in the back so you can move it around a little bit more easy. The nice Acacia wood mates instead of those old tired looking ones. There's the complete replacement hinge and band and handle assembly kit. I'm going to also add on to that new nest. I'm going to go with the new nest utility rack, because this is where my son is storing all his stuff right now below. I mean, obviously this utility rack is not going to hold everything, but it can hold your convector, your pizza stone. I am also going to upgrade it to this stainless steel fire bowl. So if you take away the cast iron fire grate and you put this inside your firebox, so you still have the ceramic firebox, but this goes inside. So all you do is you just grab the handles and you shake it, and the charcoal dust falls through and you put it back. It's so much easier than scraping. I have that on my extra large, which is down below there. You'll see it with the modular unit. And I love the fire bowl, the stainless steel fire bowl. And I think it works better than the kick-ash basket. I just prefer it. It's a lot easier, it's better, it's more efficient. It doesn't take up as much room as a kick-ash basket. I'm also going to be changing out the gasket on that with this high temperature gasket kit from Big Green Egg, because if you look at the current state, I mean, it still works. I'm not losing any smoke from it. I'm not having any airflow problems, but it's just looking a bit tired. Time to upgrade it. It's been about, I would say at least 4 years since I've done it last, so it's time to get it done. And then I also have the Big Green Egg exterior ceramic cleaner. So I'm gonna clean this whole thing up, make it shine like new. I'm even going to clean up that Big Green Egg mat, because that's looking a bit dirty too. So it should be a fun project. Down below, I'm gonna link all the videos from Big Green Egg that will walk you through every single one of those products and those upgrades that I just told you about. Big Green Egg corporate has done a great job doing that. So again, I will link all those videos below, but stay tuned and I will show you coming up next the finished product of how this medium Big Green Egg looks after I've done everything. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, folks. Click that subscribe button and notifications button. I really appreciate if you could do that for me. And coming up next, my new and improved medium Big Green Egg. Well, my son's actually. Well, I'm all finished now. The egg is complete. You know what? It didn't really take that long. A little bit of a process for the gasket, but you'll see that when you watch the video link below. If you have any questions at all through the whole process and what I did, then hey, just comment below and I'll get back to you right away. But have a look at this. There she is. It looks a lot better. I like the look of the integrated nest and handler. So it has the handle at the back to allow you to move it, but it's just chunkier. It looks stronger, it looks better. And these parts here, they don't come up as far as the old nest. It just looks a lot cleaner, better lines to it. Nice acacia wood shelves, and with my, got a bit dusty as I was putting the parts back in, but got the nice handle there that came with the new band and hinge kit. And then inside, I got that stainless steel fire bowl. So you take the fire grate out, that cast iron fire grate, and you use the fire bowl instead. And it's great. Got the utility rack on the side there that's holding the pizza stone and the convector. Great addition. And I've already had the 3-inch dial on there already. So it's just a perfect setup now. Thanks for watching, and make sure, hey, if you have an egg, you need some upgrades, check out biggreenegg.com or biggreenegg.ca or biggreenegg.eu. I mean, they're in 50 countries worldwide. Check out the Big Green Egg site that's nearest you, and hey, revamp your egg. Egg on, brother.